Hello everyone, Hong here, and once again, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a Beta Dynamic giveaway campaign update, as well as details on how to get your promo codes and discount vouchers for online purchases. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's start off with the giveaway campaign updates. Now, I'm going to be participating in the remaining 4 races of the Asian E-Endurance Series Season 2. I'm also going to be live streaming all 4 races on my YouTube channel, the one you're watching right now. Now, in each live stream, I will be asking 1 question. 4 questions in total for 4 races. The answer to those questions can be easily found, and I promise you they will be easy questions. You can find the answers in my unboxing video. Now, once you've got the answers, all you need to do is head on to this unboxing video, subscribe to the channel, and type out the answer in the comments section. That's it. A winner will be selected at random after each race. For more information and details, check out the link in my description box below. There's literally no easier way for you to score for yourself one of these MMX 300 Gen 2 gaming headsets. However, if you're interested in getting other Beta Dynamic products such as headphones or microphones, keep watching, because I'm going to share with you guys now how you can get some promo codes and discount vouchers. Between now to the end of October, thanks to the collaboration with Beta Dynamic Singapore and Digital Hub, you can get up to 20% discount of consumer products on the Beta Dynamic online shops at Lazada and Shopee. For Lazada, all you need to do is use the URL link and the discounts will be automatically applied when you check out. For Shopee, you gotta key in this promo code at the checkout counter and then you get your discounts applied as well. All the information and details that you would want and need in the description box below. Well, that's the end of this video. Please remember to share this video and all the information and details with your friends and loved ones. If you like what I'm doing, please also consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me. Hong here. Take care.